Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Hafiq bin Noor and Rosli, and my metric number is 2190300. And today I will discuss to you about depressed teen. Okay, first of all, what is depression? Depression is a common and serious mental illness that will affect how you feel, how you think, and how you will react. Okay, what is the symptom of the depression? The symptom of depression is you really feeling sad, and you loss of interest in something, change of diet, such as you gain or loss of your body weight, and you trouble to sleep, such as insomnia, and sleeping too much to reduce your depression tension. Okay, and you also sometimes you feel anxiety because of your depression. Okay, what is the effect of the depression? Okay, the like more likely the effect of the depression is to have a risk of a heart attack. uh, Depression are more likely to have to die from the heart attack disease. The second one is a constricted blood vessel. When you have a constricted blood vessel, you are more likely to have a cardiovascular risk. The third one is fatigue. When you feel fatigue, your body will feel so tired, and you don't want to do something that will make you more tired, and you don't want to do something you are more likely you want to just sit right there and sit on your bed and do nothing. Okay, I now I will talking to you about the specific reference of the case study. First of all, since we are in movement control order, we cannot go out and cannot be social with friends. So it more likely you can have a feel depressing because of that. Okay, the second one is online learning. Since we are all teens, the college students, the school students, the university students, so we are in online class, online learning right now. So most teens are feeling stressed because of online learning, because of not understanding what the teachers or the lecturer teaching you, and you feel when you did not understand something, you can't, you feel like you were left behind. So because of that, you are feel more depressed. And the second one is when you are in university, in college, you have a lot of tasks to do, such as assignment, your quiz, your midterm, your final exam. But you have to do that to get done and get your grades better. But when you do that, you get a lot of disturbing around you, such as your brothers, your sisters, your family members. For example, your mother asks you for help, but you are doing your assignment right now, so you can't do that, and your mother scold you, and then you feel depression because of that. Okay, okay. So right now I'm going to discuss about how to treat depression. First one is to visualize a happy memory. Remember back when the happy memory with your friends during the university, college, something like that, and etc. And second one is make yourself a schedule to make yourself busy. You can do laundry, you can do baking, you can do cooking, you can go help your mother or something like that to reduce your depression. Okay, this third one is find something you like. For example, you can play your game, and you can go exercise, you can do whatever you want you like. But when you playing game, don't play too much, because it will make you more depressed rather than release your depression. Just find something, just play the game for fun. And for exercise, you don't exercise too much, because when you exercise too much, you are more likely to tired and just sleep in your bed. Okay, finally, change your point of view. And first point is enjoy the view of life. Enjoy the view of life by rewarding yourself with something. Go out and enjoy the scenery. Enjoy the scenery. Okay, the finally is deep, but I will need to tell you. Okay, finally is Get out from your bed and enjoy while you still can. The meaning here is just enjoy the life while you still alive, while you still can, but don't feel so depressed because there is such a waste of time because of that. Okay, I think that is all from me. Thank you for watching and see you again.